Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add Stripe to Wix. So let's go to Wix dashboard first. Now you have to click on this all payments. Now choose manage payment methods. Click on this. Now scroll down and you'll find here see more payments. Now you have to find here Stripe. Scroll down and find it. If you can't find Stripe, you have to click on this see options. Then you can find here. You can find Stripe here. You can see the second one, Stripe. If you want to connect it, go to connect, and then you'll find the instruction to connect the Wix Stripe with Wix. Click connect to sign in your Stripe account. Once you signed in, your Stripe account will be connected to Wix account. Okay, so we have to click on, after that you have to click on connect. After click on connect, you have to sign in to your Stripe account. Then you have to, your Stripe account will be connected to your Wix account. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.